Hi there, Chris Kellett here with MuseGrid. So hot on the heels of the release of Design Kit 1.1, we have our new patterns. So we've decided to add in the 1.01 release pricing patterns. So let's take a look at those. So I'm just going to drag these out onto the page here. And first off, we have just a very simple pricing kind of section here that just has the details for the pricing heading kind of thing. So next up we have pricing number 2. So this is something similar, but let's just place that with, this is just a left aligned pricing. So this again, this would be for a section heading. Then let's get into the actual pricing layouts themselves. So first off, we have a 2-column pricing. Let's take a look at that in the different breakpoints here. You can see that it resizes, and then we get to the point where we jump the pricing blocks underneath each other in mobile. So that works really nice. Next up, pricing 4, we have a very popular pricing columns 3-column layout where we have the kind of like the recommended pricing selection here in the middle, and again these work great in their mobile device view where the sections jump underneath each other. And then finally, let's just take a look at the final one, which is pricing 5. So again, it's a 3-column structure, and we have a best offer section in the middle here, and then bullet pointed features or benefits of that particular pricing offer. So all the typography is controlled by the Design Kit style guide, so very easy to modify, and we hope that you find those patterns as great starting points to use in your sites. So look forward to showing you some new patterns in our next video.